We're gonna go to the mall part. That sound good?
Hey.
Do you want to turn this thing or no? How you doing? I'm that guy from Safeway. You see, which big machine, which little do you want to play? I need to get a toy. So can I play this one? Wait, don't turn it yet. It won't work yet. I need to get quarters after that. Oh, come on, fit. Okay, you want to spin it? Turn it that way, all the way. Keep going until you can't. Keep going. You want to take it out or no? Huh? What'd you get, bruv? You got a football fidget. Hey! You just broke some kid's toy. Just broke some kid's toy, man. I'm gonna give this away in 40 days. Happy birthday. You're welcome. Okay, what do you want to do now? You want to play a quarter game? Huh? A quarter game? Oh, what was it? You want this one? Do the honors, my man. My man. All the way to the right. Use the muscles that God gave you. You want to impress Denise. Oh, you want to take it out or no?
This is guns.
Hey. You got it. You want to go to the other ones now? You want to go to the other one now? Okay, follow me to the other machine. I'll film it.
Your files.
Wait, I need to go get quarters first. Let's come over here, Stevie. Please have $1. Dang it.
I'll be having that.
So I need... Those only take bills. Oh, come over here, Stevie. I need to go get bills, and then we can go to the other machine, okay? I need to find the correct store.
You have to go back. They're giving new shows.
Oh, yeah. We'll be quick. Depends on the stores, though. That's the second time I wished a kid birthday here. Some girl had a birthday crown on. I was like, happy birthday. It's always here at this spot. We have to go to a girl store, though. They're the only ones that break because of girl power. Was it Windsor or was it... Hey, Steve, can you come here with me real quick, please? You have to go in here. Hopefully it works. We look weird coming in here, but that's okay.
I got all my favorite size, man.
Now I'll buy you something. Let me see if I can get ones. And then we're going to go get quarters. Then we're going to go to the other machine, okay? Does that sound like a plan? Trying to impress the store, huh?
We might go to dating show.
There's a long line to get into the dressing room. What?
I see that dog.
Thank you. So we're going to go by Sears, then we'll come back, okay? Huh? You didn't listen to that today? Mm-hmm. We're vlogging as we go get toys. So you have to play a machine at 75 cents and then a quarter. have to make it snappy because they text us saying come back, but we're already down the line.
Yeah.
Come over here. We won't go to the claw machine.
I was going to do it. Yeah.
Cinnamon rolls.
That sounds good too.
This guy's a Mario Brothers game up here. You know that? Who you calling? Say we're by Sears.
I smell cinnamon rolls. Yeah.
Say we're by Sears.
We go to Sears.
No, we're by Sears. But we're on our way back. You say we're on our way back? Michael Bloody Myers. Hope his niece comes to our house on Halloween. Don't you, Stevie? Sounded weird, but I want to give a ghost some toys. Did you get your hair did? Which machine you want to play first, Stevie? You want to play this one or that one? You have an idea? Can you hold that real quick, please? Fine then, be that way. Hey. You want to play this one, Stevie? Huh? See, this one tells you where to put the quarters. Two more games, then we'll walk back. You want to turn it? Turn it towards me. Oh yeah, show those muscles. Show those muscles. Look at this. All the way. Break the machine. Use your anger. You want to take it out?
This goes.
Stevie chose. Very good. It's the second time you broke a kid's toy. A green duck. Just play this one right here. It's closer. Okay. We're here working for the kids because the customer is always bright. I mean, right, but... Oops. That's how this ball literally rolls. Okay, you want to go back now?
Yeah. That's fun.
Okay, let's go back.
Down.
Hey, Nora, how you doing? Doing all right? Good to see you. It's for her kids while we're even at these machines. Just said hi to my neighbor. Shout out to the Tamburellos. There's a long line of Auntie Anne's. Hey, Stevie, you want to call them saying we're on our way back? You want to tell them we're on our way back or no? There's who? I see Panda Express. I'll be right back. I'm going to text the family. Look, you can play Mario. You want to play Mario or no?
Oh, yeah.
See? You're good. Steve and I went to the girliest store ever today, and all for the kids, bro. Look, there's a princess here, a couple of them. Hot dang, I feel like I'm at Disneyland. Can't wait to show you guys my Disneyland vlogs. Happy birthday. Is it her birthday? Oh, happy birthday then. Make that 3 at this mall. Hot dang. I see Connie. I see an Aunt Connie look-alike, Stevie. More kids dress up for their birthday here than they do at Disneyland. They're just around MLK Day, huh?
Yeah.
Everyone supports Stevie. His birthday is on or around MLK Day, depending on the year. Check your local calendar to find out if my cousin's birthday is on MLK this year or not. Hey, you want to go in there? You're dang straight they do. The last time you and I walked this whole mall, Grandma and Papa were here. And we went to the claw machine too, but we should come back here next week. And then we could go play the ball claw machine. Ding, ding, ding. Stevie's going to Barnes, folks. Where they at, Steven?
What's the name of it?
Oh, they're at the door waiting.
Yeah, I know.
You need to say we were wishing kids happy birthday. It's called respect and morals. You guys ready? He texted we already didn't commit, so we just finished our goal and then came back.
Chicken.
Nobody calls me Chicken Miles. Oh, that's from Heidi?
This is what I'm getting. The afterlife.
Stevie and I played vending machines today. Did you guys see the video yet?
And then later I'm gonna get.
Remember that, Stevie? Ah.
T-bone steak.
We should go back and play the ball claw.
You're getting it much also?
Yes.
Just dead zoned it. It's a good clamp too.